Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another market outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Themistocleus, trading specialist, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the next few days, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. Last week, the idea was for a short on the pound yen with a target around the 181.5 price area. This was not valid since the price continued its aggressive bullish rally, pushing the price to around 185. Now for this week, we are looking at the euro-yen pair for the potential short position with a target around the 156 price area after some possible push around the 160 level. The price is trading near an all-time high for the pair, while the stochastic oscillator is in the extreme overbought level for the last 7 sessions, indicating that the correction is highly possible in the near short term. Even though the 50-day moving average is trading above the 100-day, the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, which is near the 160 level, would most probably act as a resistance to the price. The major factor that is affecting this trade is the resumption of the uptrend in the 10-year Japanese bond yields that is currently at 0.63%, up from the low of 0.61% of last week. Also, the expected decline in the European inflation rate later this week is expected to put pressure on the euro against its peers, possibly creating minor losses. If the expectations are correct for this piece of economic data, then a potential pressure on the euro might push the euro-yen pair to the downside, further reassuring the selling narrative. In terms of economic data for this week, we have the Japanese inflation and core inflation figures expected to be released on Thursday the 17th at 11:30 p.m. GMT, as well as the European inflation rate on Friday the 18th, where the expectations are for a decline of around 0.2%. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is for a short trade on the euro-yen pair with a potential target around the 156 price area. The main narrative is the resuming of the increasing yields of the Japanese 10-year bond, which show a rather aggressive flow of capital in favor of the yen, while the inflation figures from Japan and Europe are expected to create volatility on the euro-yen pair, especially around publication time. Remember, this is not a signal, it's just an idea for a trade. It is not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.